Hey everybody, so we got a quick unboxing to do from Home Depot. This is a Milwaukee item, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? So we're going to be doing a quick unboxing. Actually nicely well packed. Yeah, they actually did a nice job. The battery. And this is up to 600 foot-pounds nut busting torque, up to 450 foot-pounds fastening torque, 3-mode drive control. 3/8 mid-torque impact wrench with friction ring. 2852-20. So, battery and charger not included, but I got a free 5 with it. Which those are all the free 1, 2, 3, 5s right here, and then 8 high output. Those are all free batteries I got. I haven't opened them yet. I was thinking about selling these batteries. So instead of opening them up and cutting them open, I only wanted the tool. I figured I'd just sell the batteries and you know, pay back whatever was paid for the tools. Or it could be used for something else. But information on this guy is 3/8 square with friction ring, fastening torque 450 foot-pounds, nut busting torque 600 foot-pounds, 3-mode drive control. RPMs in mode 1 is 575, RPMs in mode 2 is 2000, and RPMs in mode 3 is 2300 and or revolutions per minute. Impacts per minute, or IPM, mode 1 is 450, in mode 2 it's 2900, and mode 3 it's 3200 for impacts per minute. Length is 6.7 inches, and weight is 3.8 pounds. It's got the same mumbo jumbo information on the back. Comparison between, you know, other companies and other tools and blah 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 blah. Alright. And even if I do decide to keep these batteries, I'm not going to open them on this video, or open that battery that came with this tool on this video, because, you know, I've opened a lot of batteries. You guys have seen them. There's no point for me to open a bunch more batteries. Make this video short and sweet, to the point. So, here's the tool. Here is your M18, M12 booklet. Shows a bunch of tools they always send. Free entry to win the 10 combo kit or a t-shirt. And an instruction booklet for 2852-20, 2860-20, and 2861-20. The 2861-20 is, I believe, the model that I'm waiting for, that's on back order. It already has a belt clip on it. Here's the tool. It does have 3 modes. Surprised it doesn't have 4 like the rest, but let's grab a already charged 5, which is what comes with the tool. Low, medium, high. I figured it would have like a 4 mode where it's got 1, 2, 3 and an auto, but this one doesn't have an auto. But you know, it's not needed. I'm gonna move this over. let's grab a scale and let's measure. Okay, I zeroed the scale out. Move this down. Okay, bare tool. It's 3 pounds, 12.1 ounces. With a 5 amp hour battery, it is 5 pounds, 5.8 ounces. And let's do one better and let's get some other batteries out to measure. A 6, an 8. Here's a 6. Here's an 8. 5, 3, and a 12. So here's a 3. There's a 5, 6, 8, and a 12. So we're going to start over and measure it with the weights for these different size batteries. Here's a compact 3, which it's not going to work with a compact 3 with this belt clip on it for some reason. I have a screwdriver long enough. I think I do. We're going to take the belt clip off. Oh, it's a Torx. I don't think I have a Torx readily available. Let's see. Oh, it's gonna be one of those. Give me a second, guys. Is it like that for all of them? Yeah. This one's only set up to take the standard batteries. Let's see if this T15 is the right size. Yeah, got one. I'm just going to take the clip off just in case you want to actually use it with a high output battery, in case you do. Here's the clip. We use the little Milwaukee Stubby to take it off. Alright, so here's the 3. Turn the scale back on. Okay, with a high output 3, it's 5 pounds, 0.8 ounces, which is lighter than the 5. I'll show the 5 again. 5 is 5 pounds, 5.0 ounces. It does have a nice bright LED as well. I'm gonna move it to the 6. 6 is 6 pounds, 2.0 ounces. Move to the 8, which the 6 and the 8 are about the same size. I think they are the exact same size. But the 8, this 8 for some reason weighs 2 grams less. So it's 6 pounds, 1.8 ounces. It's interesting. 1.8. 6, 1.8. 620, yeah, it's 2 grams less. And then here's a 12. The likely chance you're going to use a 12 on something like this is unlikely, but 7 pounds, 2.0 ounces. As long as you take the belt clip off, you can utilize this tool with high output batteries. I'm going to put the belt clip back on. Yeah, I'm more than likely just going to use it with the 5s I have. And again, the tool, bare tool, is 3 pounds, 12.1 ounces. Put the batteries back. Move the scale out the way. Okay. Bring this back in. So we're gonna measure it without a battery. It is 8 inches. It's actually exactly 9 inches to the bottom of the clip. If the clip wasn't on it, it would be 8 inches and 1/4 of an inch. Excuse me. From the back to the front, the depth of the tool, it is 6 inches and 3/4 of an inch. And then let me grab the batteries again. We'll just measure them with those batteries. I probably have to take the clip back off just to measure them, but it's not a big deal. Makes it a little more fun. Gives you guys a little more information. So let's measure it with this battery, because this battery, the clip's not in the way. So the 5, it is 10 inches and 1/4 of an inch with a 5. Okay, I'm gonna pop this back off. It's just a T15. Okay, let's put the 3 on here. Measure it with the 3. With a 3, it is 9 inches and 5/8 of an inch. With a 3. Okay. With a 6. It is 10 inches and 1/2 an inch. And an 8 should be the same as the 6. Yep, 10 inches and 1/2 an inch for the 8 as well. And then the 12 is 11 inches and 1/4 of an inch. That's the measurements as well. Put the batteries back. Okay. So we're going to be probably showing this a lot more. And as well as, you know, the earthquakes. I might be showing the earthquake XTs from Harbor Rate every once in a while. But Milwaukee is going to be the new tools that are going to be used on a daily basis. It feels nice in the hand. 2852-20. This is the 3/8 model. I do have the 1/2 inch model coming, same hog ring. It's just it's out of stock, and I'm waiting. The 1/2 inch model mid torque is also with my my 10 inch 60 volt multi-volt table saw that I got from Metabo HPT. It's a mid-torque. It's a nice unit. It's a lot smaller than the 3/8 1 key, as well as the 1/2 inch 1 key. So bring these guys in just to show you guys. Here's the 3/4 1 key, and here is the 1/2 inch 1 key. It is significantly smaller than the 1/2 inch and the 3/4 1 keys, but the mid torque will do the job. You can't get a 3/8 in a high torque. You can only get it in a mid torque. 3/8 probably be the most used, and the 3/4 for heavy stuff. The 1/2 inch will probably be just used. I've already used the 1/2 inch and 3/4. There's dirt and stuff on them, but these the 3/4 I've already used for suspension components, and the 1/2 inch I've already used a bunch of lug nuts. And 3/8 we just got today, so we're gonna see how it holds up. I do like the grips on these Milwaukees. They're very comfortable. These bigger units, the 3/4 and the 1/2 inch high torques, are way more comfortable with a 5 than any of the high outputs. It's unbalanced with a high output 3.0 CP battery for some reason. You think the battery being lighter and a little wider gives you a better platform to sit it on the ground, but the 5 seems to be more comfortable for me. I'll do more experiments on that, and I'll mess with the compact 3s a little more to see if I can, over the long run, see if I just don't like it, or if I do like it and and I eventually switch. But all in all, the mid-torque 3/8 is pretty nice, and we're going to be using it a lot on the channel whenever we do projects. I appreciate you guys watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon. Actually, smash it in the face for the bell icon, and smash the like button for me if you guys don't mind. Appreciate you guys watching again. Appreciate you guys sticking around for the whole video. If there's any information that you guys would like, please let me know in the comments if I didn't cover it in this video, and I can either cover it on another video, or we could do I could try to answer those questions in the comments. Appreciate your guys' time again. Also, go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, as well as my DJI Electronics affiliate links. Excuse me. And hopefully I'll see you guys on the next episode. Thank you so much for watching. Peace!